held securely by a robotic gripper. This GaN wafer is the fundamental building block for the SPECTRA electronic warfare system.
The SPECTRA run is proceeding nominally. Implantation cycle at 75%.
Acknowledged. Monitor the thermal budget closely.
Chamber pressure stable, gas flow is uniform.
Confirmed. The deposition is proceeding as expected for the SPECTRA modules.
Hold it there, hold it. Left side, just a touch.
Perfect. All clear, take the tension.
The robot arm is presenting the fiber.
Okay, I'm feeding it through the SPECTRA channel.
Here we see the clear divergence. Process A handles the gallium nitride wafers for the SPECTRA system.
This automated process ensures the foundational platforms for the SPECTRA electronic warfare system receive a perfect application of thermal paste.
The SPECTRA electronic warfare system module requires absolute precision. Our high-speed pick-and-place robots achieve this through a synchronized battle.
The throughput rates look good. Confirmed. All parameters are within spec.
The SPECTRA module undergoes rigorous calibration to ensure optimal performance across all frequency bands.
The SPECTRA modules undergo rigorous vibration and shock testing, simulating the extreme G-forces of high-speed combat maneuvers. With the seal now broken, the SPECTRA electronic warfare system is ready for installation into the Dassault Rafale.
Any transit damage on the housing?
None visible. The coating is perfect. Scanning the serial number now.
As we begin Process B, remember the integration sequence for the SPECTRA system. Accuracy is paramount.
Link integrity holding steady across the board.
Wait, spectrum analysis on the left array is flickering. Rerunning the calibration sequence now.
Stable.
The SPECTRA module is showing unexpected spikes at 1.2 gigahertz.
Rerun the sweep on the auxiliary probe.
Check the tension on the main umbilical, make sure the connection is secure.
Confirmed, all green for tow.
Check the analyzer, the waveforms are stabilizing.
Solid green. Test sequence complete.
The culmination of precision engineering. With the SPECTRA system fully integrated, the Rafale stands ready for the final rollout.
System check complete. SPECTRA operational. Hold short at the intersection.
Copy that. Braking now.
Clear to proceed on Charlie taxiway. We have an anomaly on the SPECTRA module. Check the processing load now.
I see it. Rerouting the data stream.
Rafale 7-8, clear to proceed to parking.
Roger that. Commencing systems check on the Spectra module now.
The SPECTRA module engaged immediately during the multi-threat simulation. Responsiveness was exceptional across the band.
Did you notice any latency when switching modes?
The successful integration of the SPECTRA system marks a new era for the Rafale program.
Cargo Bay, this is Ground Team A. We are approaching the ramp.
Roger that. Alignment confirmed. Proceed slowly.
Slow and steady. Watch the starboard wingtip clearance. Copy. Slowing the tow. Clear on starboard.
The Dassault Rafale stands ready, its SPECTRA system providing an unparalleled layer of electronic defense, crucial for modern air superiority.
As you could see, the SPECTRA module is highly effective. The signature is almost negligible.
Impressive. The countermeasures are working exactly as designed.
Designed for perfect integration, the SPECTRA system ensures the Dassault Rafale maintains its decisive advantage in the modern battle space.
The Dassault Rafale, equipped with the integrated SPECTRA electronic warfare system, demonstrates unmatched agility in contested airspace.
Please, evacuations.
The evasion sequence was flawless.
The SPECTRA system is performing exceptionally.
Agreed.
The data